Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. And I have to say, I have a nice ride for you. This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500 heavy duty LTZ. Black on black on black. I mean, that's all I can say. And it is gorgeous. You have black emblems. It's a Z71 off-road package. You have these sporty looking to me. I mean, they look a little sporty looking to me. Black wheels, black emblems, the black paint, matching bumpers, matching handles, matching mirrors, LED lights with this open Chevrolet name. And I love that. They went back to the bow tie for 2023, but I love this right here. I don't know why. I love the way it looks. It's more elegant to me. Now this has the 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine producing 445 horsepower and 910 pounds of torque. 10-speed Allison automatic transmission, one of the best, if not the best. I mean, this thing is ready to go. Look at that tint. Like it's just like a mirror. I love that. Have that on my truck. Best thing ever. Keeps the heat out too. Keeps it nice and cool. Now you have black leather interior in this model with heated and vented seats. Memory settings for the driver's side. Power locks, windows, and mirrors. Of course, power seating. Come inside here. This is a 21 that has 22,673 miles. So you still have the remaining factory warranty up to 100,000 miles or 4 years left, because it's a 6-year 100,000 mile warranty for the Duramax. It's 21, now it's 2023, so 4 years or up to 100,000 miles factory warranty, which is always nice when you're buying a used truck, especially a heavy duty. Come over here, you have heated steering wheel, your cruise control options, Bluetooth, menu settings, and of course, like always, you have your audio controls. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you have your navigation. Of course, this has Bluetooth for your phone calls and your text messages. You have a high definition surround camera system, and I have a full video on this in the top right hand corner. Here's just some of the other options you can get with this. That already has the hookups. You just need the cameras, and that's for an enclosed trailer and behind the trailer, but it has the hookups for it. Of course, if you have OnStar with the data package, you get Spotify and Chevrolet Maps and everything like that. That all comes with it. And Amazon Alexa. I'm not going to get too much into that. You can do all of that from Android Auto and Apple CarPlay from your phone's data. You don't have to pay extra per month. It's always a nice thing. Dual climate controls, like I said before. You have heated and vented front leather seats. Here's your exhaust brake. Menu, your parking sensors, your tailgate up and down, which is always nice. All kinds of charging. I mean, you have every option. Integrated brake controller. I mean, this thing is nice. You see 2 up front, 3 in the back, and these 2 outboard, the driver and passenger, are heated as well, with some more charging ports. Plenty of headspace up here. I mean, you have like 3 inches extra that go up. You have a sunroof in the front that I didn't mention before. Cubbies in the seats, armrest and cup holders in the center. I mean, this thing is ready for the family. Pull the trailer, pull the camper, go on long road trips, travel the United States. This thing is ready for it. You have side steps along the bed so you can reach in up to the bed, and then right here to help you get in. Like I said before, there's a button inside to go up and down. There's a button on the remote to go down. Press that button, it goes down. Hands-free, you love it. Bed liner with 5th wheel ready. Light tailgate. I mean, this thing is ready to go. And there it is, 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500 heavy duty LTZ in all of its glory. For sale here at Country Chevrolet. We are located in Benton, Kentucky, the heart of Western Kentucky, as I say. And it's not going to last long. These normally don't, especially with low mileage like this and what it's priced at. I think it's a little under $67,000. Hard to find in this condition. Is a one owner bought here originally at Country, brought all here for servicing, so it's a Country original is what we call it. So my number's down in the description, so there's a website, social media links, and the link to this vehicle specifically. So call, text me, stock numbers, let's make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Don't wait until it's too late, because I promise you it's not going to be here. If you're ready to buy, we're ready to sell. Like I said before, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.